Right, this is a weird camera angle. Apologies. However, coming to you now from Mini, which is a rare occasion, I must admit. Plenty been getting done. Subframe's now out. The subframe is actually now all rust-proofed and painted. New bottom arms on as well, but you'll see that when it comes home. Obviously got the top strip down, got the filter and everything off, and now the passenger side is all stripped. So the next job for me is going to be to get new ball joints fitted on the hub on this side, get that side stripped down for when the coilovers arrive, and then I can just bolt that back up the same way it came out, kind of all in one, probably minus the drive shaft, because that'll be a little bit easier for me. But other than that, it's just going to be rust proofing now on that side, bit of underseal and stuff. Clean all the rust off, prep it with some probably zinc primer and a bit of rust treatment, and then underseal over the top. That's what's going to be happening. So I'm just trying to get this corner out, so hopefully I should be able to start doing that soon. Right. Some of you will know a friend of mine called Dean. Basically we share, I wouldn't say a toolkit, but I suppose it is really. Pretty much share my shed. And we kind of share tools and everything gets kept in the shed. Now, little bugger went and did some fiddle the other day and very kindly took all of the tools with him. Hence the reason I'm now using this Fisher Price ratchet. Oh, fucking hell, to take this bolt out. I mean, it's working. Awful tool. This is gonna snap. Oh, yeah, there we go. Right, well, it's off. It's off. I don't want to hit the steering arm because it's 6:45 in the morning, but I do need it off. Pretty sure my neighbours don't like me anyway, so I may as well just send it. Oh, my neighbours are really not gonna like me. Okay, so that is off. How wonderful. Oh, yes, you beauty. Right, drive shaft's popped out of the box. Brake line, well, caliper is hanging. Wires off. So now I'm going to disconnect the top, and that's it, leg out. Ooh, yep, that shaft's out. Honestly, this is going to be tight. Oh, yeah, that's quite loose. It didn't me. Why do I do this to myself? This time of the day as well. It's so weird. Oh, no, that's right. Right. It's actually cold over here. I was in there. Long keep off. Oh, milk. I don't know what time it is. I think it's 7. I think 7 is a good guess. 7 o'clock for working on the dog. Oh, there you go. That's one. Right, that's like it. It's weird. Right, compressor's full. Get some compressed air on it and just blow off all the dust and everything. Now I can see if I can dig out a paintbrush and start getting the rust treatment on. Hang on. Oh my days, if this brush doesn't fit. No, it doesn't really, does it? But something, I don't need much, to be fair. When you get around and see, it kind of goes, it's like white. And just get that in on all the rust and all the exposed metal, because the advertiser is converting, what does it say on here? It says transforms rust into a stable surface in 15 minutes. I don't know how good it actually is, but I like to use it on projects like this because it gives you a bit of peace of mind. Just get plenty on there, you know. You don't need to do the whole thing, just anywhere there's sort of exposed metal or bits of rust or anything like that. It just converts all this rubbish, crusty metal, just converts it all to like a stable surface. So it gives you a good base to get the underseal on. As you can see how it's starting to go with that bluey colour. It'll really darken up when it dries. It's a lot better to be doing this outside as well, because you can get the air to it and dry out a lot quicker, I think. Get some of this on it. I do have, you can see all the underbody on the front here, and all that to do as well, so I might sort of sand that off a bit now. A bit on that corner just to clean it up. Obviously it'll be getting more than this, but I'm just kind of doing it in stages. I'll show you what we've got so far. So this is what we've got so far, and that's all the rust treatment on now. So basically just ready to start getting some like shots on it. This isn't like a full-on restoration. Like I say, the rust's not that bad. It doesn't need any welding or anything like that. I just want it looking new. So this is going to be, you know, just a bit of a tart up, a couple of coats of black sealer on it, and get it looking a bit better. So I'll let that dry. We'll come back to that. So one of the next jobs we've got to do is get this side stripped out. You can see that strut is crusty as hell. So all this is going to have to come off. Arch liners are coming out, struts coming out, the drive shaft, everything. So the first thing I'm going to do is get that off, and then I'm going to pop the drive shaft out, take the pipes off and the top mount, and then we should be good to go, I think. On the caliper as well, don't forget that. Easy as pie. And there we go, all undersealed on this side. Brand new. That looks absolutely fantastic. When I get the strut and everything bolted back on this side, it is going to look fantastic. Well, I think that's going to end the day there. It's probably going to be the end of the video, I would think. So, driver's side's all stripped down, struts completely out, ready. I'm going to take that into work and get that stripped. The passenger side, that's all stripped out, arch undersealed, all rust treated, ready to go. Driver's side's also rust treated now, and that's got the stone chip on, that's done. Gearbox is out. Now it's starting to get a bit dark, so I didn't actually film any of that. But the box is out, so now I can start and get the clutch off, all that kind of stuff. Maybe start getting that put back together. So it's been good progress today. But I mean, to be fair, I say today, but all that stuff's been filmed over the course of a few weeks, because the car's been here quite a while now. So, but yeah, next step, get the clutch in, get the gearbox back in, and then I can start putting shiny bits back together. But we also have shiny coilovers to go on, fronts and rears, new clutch. Yeah, let's get this thing back to its former glory and running and driving the way that it probably really should be, you know. But yeah, I've got a little bit more undersealing to do on the actual body, the floor pan and stuff, and a new project coming in as well, which is an engine for the Leon, which I've picked up. So that's going to be getting brought into the engine over there, into the shed over there, sorry. So we're getting on that now. But yeah, thanks for watching once again, and we should be back soon with another episode when the weather gets better, because at the minute it's so rainy and I can't do anything. So Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your evening, rest of your day, whatever. Have a good one.